Hello friends, my name is Sanket Padya. So today we have a new current topic which is related with the coal. So we are discussing here work of coal and how our government increase transportation in coal. Around 50% transportation of coal our government had been increased. So it is decision taken by the CCEA. Its full form Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs by the CCEA. I speak again, full form of the CCA, EA, Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs. Coal we use it in many works like thermal energy, thermal energy improvement, and we are using for cooking. Also, it is a lower work for coal, and also its worker depend on the situation, depend on the work. So we are discussing about the coal, and it is policy approved by the coal linkage for seamless, efficient, and transportation utilization. It is a policy name which had been implement on there, and its key provision we will discuss. Its key provision: coal linkage holders can export up to 50% of allocated coal. It means around 50% which is allocated to the traders, to the transporter. They can increase around 50% in the transportation of coal. And who can export? Government had been implement this rule, and who can export this policy, and what is the reason behind it? Who can transportate of the coal? So not traders, because traders are using for negative way in the coal exportation, and they can use industrial consumer with coal linkage, which means some building and some infrastructure build our in our nation, then they can use our coal consumption. They can use this all over things which is we are regarding discussing here. And it, what was the purpose of it? This policy had been implemented to our government in the coal exportation. So optimal utilization of surplus domestic coal. Number one, these things which is written in this point number one. And another things, promote market based refers in coal sector. Another, reduce coal improvement and improve competitiveness. It's very demand in our industrial, in our developing policies, because of coal is the main source of energy. So these are the things which we are discussing here. And we another we things we are discussing here, it's many work of coal, like source of energy, industrial fuel. When we are generate other any other energy, then we can use coal, and with this coal we can generate any other energy, because energy is never destroy. It can change in one form to another forms. So these is things, and it is also used in raw material, domestic uses, economic role. uh, if our infrastructure build and our works are handled through this energy, then our economic condition are also had been developing. And export and trade, if we are trade in other countries to the coal, then we have also growth in economically. So this is the main things which is discussing here. And now last stanza, last word, we are discussing about the UPSC relevance of the this topic. It is related with our GS paper 2, government policy and reforms. With the GS paper 2, government policies and reforms. Government policies and reforms, and GS paper 3, energy sector. So this was the whole things which is related with the coal, and it is come in the Hindu newspaper. So that's for today. Thank you.